Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on or off the hearing aid compatibility on iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So what you want to do is to open settings. Then you want to swipe down a little bit and go to accessibility. So just tap on accessibility. Then you want to swipe down a little bit and go to the hearing devices. So tap on that. And here you have the option called Hearing Aid Compatibility. What it does, that it improves audio quality with some hearing aids. So if you turn on this feature and you have some hearing aids, the audio quality is going to be just better. So now it's on, now it's off. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.